everyone. So today I ordered one of my favorite fragrances, Kayali Vanilla 28, and I'm going to do the unboxing of this special package. So this is the iconic fragrance from the house of Kayali, and Mona Katon has done an amazing job with this one. I can swear by it. Oh my god. There are nights when I feel like I want to lift my spirits up, and that's when I just take a sniff of it. It's always by my bedside, and for a good reason. Kayali Vanilla 28 is the ultimate fragrance if you want to leave a great impression on a special someone. I'm not kidding. So here is fragrance. And I got a great deal on Agio, and this duo 50 plus 10 ml is for just 5600. There was some loyalty involved also, so I got some couple of $100 knocked off. And this is the fragrance that I'm talking about. This is Kayali Vanilla 28. Oh my god, it's a little lopsided, but great nonetheless. The best fragrance ever. Let me take a sniff. Gorgeous, just gorgeous.